So we're going to go here to the side here. And then I want you to go up and over. Oh, okay, that's the hard part. Yeah, so you're on your right, and you're going to go up and over to your left. Yeah, and then come down, and then go to your right, and then up and over, and then down, and then go right, up and over, and down. Now, also relevant, this might be a useful thing. You probably don't even notice that you're doing it, but you're changing the relative, as you should, or, well, I don't want to say should, but as is easier. So down here, they look like they're in about the same plane, but when you move them to the side, you'll notice my hand that's on the home side is in the back. When I come up and over to the other side, the crossing hand, which was the hand that was in the back, is now in the front. So they change relative positioning as they go across the top. So they stagger different. Over here, and then let's jump to your right, up and over, and down. Okay, and sync up. 5. Okay, we're going to try and go all the way around. 5, 6, 7, and bottom side, top, other side, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom right, top left, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom right, top left, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom right, top left, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom right, top left, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom right, top left, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom right, top left, bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom right, top left, bottom. With both hands at the same time. So it's bottom, right, top, left. This is like it's an animation of a 4-petal anti-spin in Clockwise. Because what I wanted to notate was you're only doing 3 rotations of the poi as you're doing the 4 petals. 1, you want to practice doing it in the same time. 2, you're pretty good going from your bottom to your right, but then as you're going over the top and to your left, it seems like your left is your weak side. So what you could do as a drill is just hold the poi like that. Just practice that. And then this is where you would notate that thing that I was saying. The crossing hand is in front, the home hand is in back. Another thing that you can do is start practicing it from the left position. So instead of starting from the bottom position, go 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom right, top left, 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom right, top left, 5, 6, 7, 8, bottom right, top left, as a way to help you